Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Nouns, possessive case. When do we use possessive case? We use it to show possession. Look at the pictures. Then read the sentences aloud. The book of the boy was on the table. The dog of Mary was called Moti. The horse of the king was white. The feet of the baby were thin. The words in color show to whom they belong, but they sound very awkward. We can write them better this way. The boy's book was on the table. Mary's dog was called Moti. The king's horse was white. The baby's feet were thin. How have we made them better? We have added s to the noun that stands for the possessor, as the monkey's face was black. Peter's bicycle was new. My uncle's dog has a short tail. The thief's hands were tied with a rope. Note: all the above nouns, monkey, bicycle, dog, and thief, are singular nouns. So we form the possessive case by adding apostrophe s to the nouns. The possessive case of plural nouns is formed in two ways. If the plural ends in s, we add only an apostrophe, as examples: the purses of the ladies, the ladies' purses, the tails of the horse, the horse's tails, the nests of the birds, the birds' nests. If the plural does not end in s, we add apostrophe s, as men's lives are hard, women's work is generally at home, children's books must be attractive.
Write down the possessive form of the words: son of a shopkeeper, shopkeeper's son, uniform of students, students' uniform, bag of a lady, lady's bag, blessings of granny, granny's blessings, laughter of children, children's laughter. Match column A with column B. The book belonged to Ajay. Ajay's book. Wings of the bird. The bird's wings. Mother of Johnny. Johnny's mother. The nest of the sparrow. The sparrow's nest. The hut of the poor woman. The poor woman's hut.
Adjectives. Degrees of comparison. Look at the three pictures: Ashok, Bali, Anil. What do you notice? The boy Bali in picture 2 is holding a box bigger than the boy Ashok in picture 1. In picture 3, the boy Anil is carrying a box which is bigger than what the boys Ashok and Bali are holding. Now read aloud the three sentences given. Ashok is a strong boy. Bali is stronger than Ashok. Anil is the strongest of the three. Is there any comparison made in sentence 1? No. We just give a quality to Ashok, strong. Learn. When no comparison is made, then the adjective is said to be in the positive degree. In sentence 2, the adjective stronger compares Ashok and Bali, and stronger denotes a higher degree of quality than the positive. The adjective stronger compares two people. It is said to be in the comparative degree. In sentence 3, the adjective strongest compares all the three boys and denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is said to be in the superlative degree. There are many rules to remember for the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Like the numbers and genders, they also change. Rule 1. Positive, comparative, superlative. Thick, thicker, thickest. Short, shorter, shortest. Tall, taller, tallest. Young, younger, youngest. Kind, kinder, kindest. What have we done to change? We form the comparative by adding ER and the superlative by adding EST to the positive. Rule 2. If the positive ends in E and R and ST are added to form the comparative and the superlative. Noble, nobler, noblest. White, whiter, whitest. Fine, finer, finest. Rule 3. If the positive ends in Y and the Y has a consonant before it, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. Happy, happier, happiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. But if the Y has a vowel before it, then Y is not changed into I. Gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, greyer, greyest. Rule 4. If the positive degree has only one syllable and ends in one consonant, and the consonant has a short vowel before it, this consonant is doubled before ER and EST. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Rule 5. Adjectives which have more than one syllable or longer words take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Rule 6. These adjectives are changed in a very different manner. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Note. Notice the use of older, elder and oldest, eldest. He is older than I am. He is the oldest boy in the class. Hari is my elder brother. Satish is my eldest son. Special note. Remember, than is used after the comparative degree. The is used before the superlative degree. This pencil is better than that. This is the best of the three pencils. Do not ever use the double comparative and superlative. Example, more better, most loveliest. Incorrect. He is more stronger than Hari. Correct. Bali is stronger than Hari. Incorrect. He is the most oldest man in the village. Correct. He is the oldest man in the village.
Give the superlative degree of these. Cheap, cheapest. Dear, dearest. Small, smallest. Sweet, sweetest. Young, youngest. Light. Give the comparative degree of these adjectives. Light, lighter. Great, greater. Low, lower. Happy, happier. Much, more. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.